What's up, everybody? We're back for one last Illinois adventure, even though we're in Wisconsin. Got my nice new pack on, some clothes. We're shooting content for 3 different brands today. Got the sun on my back, so I'm really poorly lit. So let's backpedal. But we are on our way to hike 26 miles around the entirety of Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. Let the adventure begin. It's windy. Jesus. We've already started. The trail is literally like a little foot trail. I'm already gonna roll it. But look at these buildings. Already rolling the ankle. Doesn't feel good. I don't like walking on inclines like this because my ankle rolls out. Yay. Just some massive houses. Of course, there's a tree blocking the view, so don't I look stupid. So the trail just goes through people's backyards. There's one of the houses. Just massive. Castles. And the sad part is that most of the time, no one's even in them. It's either a summer home or just a rental during the summer. Massive. We can't afford this. It's beachfront property. It's probably like $100,000. Steep.
Like holy hell, these houses are insane. And I will continue to say that for the rest of this hike, like right now.
Just massive houses. It's like a whole compound. It's like 3 properties hooked together into one big ass building. Oh, to be rich. So we got to a section where you have to leave the lake and just walk through a subdivision. The breeze in the subdivision is completely blocked by all the trees and houses, so it is quite hot on this blacktop. But dang, these houses really makes you just regret every life decision and being born poor.
Also along this hike, we will walk right through the middle of a golf course, interrupting games one swing at a time. My mom also claims that they didn't walk through any of this when they did it, so clearly she has dementia.
Update. We're 1 hour in of our 8 to 9 hour hike around Lake Geneva. It's pretty much big lake on one side, rich houses on the other. My arch has been cramped up since the get-go. The sun's been behind me this whole time, so you're just talking to a shadow face this entire first half of this vlog, and by the time we get to the other side, the sun will be behind me again, and we're just gonna continue shadow face Dylan. Yay.
And it's crazy how some parts of this trail legit have you almost inside people's houses, but then flip to wide open wildflowers. Oh yeah, that's good.
All right, we're on a nice little brick strip right now. More fancy houses. I'm gonna fall down the stairs. So many pretty wildflowers here. Look at this. Very pretty hike for 26 miles. All right, we're 2 hours in, 6 miles down of the 26-mile hike. We stopped for pictures and stuff. I don't know how windy this is with my mic, but it's really windy out here. Onward. How you feeling, Mom? She says she's feeling good.
Let's have a moment to just lock in and enjoy the vibes of this hike.
All right, this is our third take because I messed up and headed on photo mode. Then I didn't have my mic on, even though my mic's pretty far away, so I don't even know if it's working right. We're 3 hours in. We're almost to our coffee shop, which is like the 10-mile point. Right now we're at like 9 miles, 18,000 steps. Going strong, but my feet are killing me. Both my big toes feel like they've just been stepped on by something larger than myself, and my arches are cramping up. Mom almost fell down some stairs. And by stairs, I mean just one singular step. But we're still kicking, still going. All right, we've made it to Fontana. We're on the trail, but we're definitely just on the sidewalk. We're heading to the coffee shop. This is gonna be my first coffee in, I think, over a month. Well, over a month. And I'm gonna enjoy this sweet treat like nothing else. And I'm gonna have to pee/poop the rest of the way. All right, we're at the coffee mill. My feet are, I'm letting the dogs breathe. They're breathing.
Hey there, it's Future Dylan. That's why the lips aren't matching the voice. The mic went out, it was loud. Anyways, got the Mocha Breve. It's delicious. Get it wherever you can. Back to Past Dylan.
All right, break time's over. Time to get back to it. My feet are so thrilled. Let's go. I forgot to mention when we stopped for coffee, that was our 4-hour marker. We are 11.15 miles in, 23,396 steps. How you feeling, Mom? Talking to my titty.
I am feeling perfect.
She's lying. She feels like shit. She's been complaining this whole time.
He's
Me, on the
lying.
other hand, I feel great.
He's complaining.
Shh. I think the best part about this hike is that me and my mom were just walking, looking at these multi-million-dollar houses, just critiquing them, saying, ooh, we like that about this one, like we're shopping for our own house, when never. Actually, I'm going to say it's a possibility. Also, there's a spider web all over the lens of this camera right now. Look at the spider web all over my camera. I don't know. All right, we are 5 hours in. We are at, let me see here, 12.25 miles, 25,700 steps, 14 miles to go. As I said, it's been 2 months-ish since I've had coffee. I have to poop bad.
So this is where my brother went to school at, and I am about to drop a bomb on it. This is me dropping said bomb.
Saved my life. We are at the 6-hour mark, going slow. I stopped to do photos and content for this shirt, these little drink packets in here, and this backpack. And I also stopped to run into that porta potty and just completely Armageddon all over it. Just, we are at 13.72 miles, 28,787 steps. We're going great. The coffee gave me some energy, but also flushed me. Mom almost fell off of a boulder into the water, taking my pictures. We're doing it. Back to the vibes. Okay, we're 7 hours in. We are 16.22 miles, 34,000 steps. And we still have to go all the way back around over there. I guess no more pit stops at all. We poop, let it run down our legs, and we just keep going.
I just really liked these bricks. It wouldn't be a hike without coming upon a super steep section for no apparent reason.
All right, we are at hour 8. Feeling it. I mean, the pain of my ankle has just plateaued, so it's just been hurting the same this entire time. But can definitely just feel the day's drain. The sun's setting behind us. All the lawn Roombas are coming out to eat the grass. We saw a flock of wild turkeys.
Gaggle.
Gaggle of wild turkeys. No, gaggle's geese.
Is it? Oh.
What's a turkey one?
It's something else.
It's not a flock of turkeys?
Hell yeah, more flowers. We freaking love flowers.
I don't have the mic on because it's pretty quiet, pretty airtight. We are just under hour 9 and we've made it to Lake Geneva beach, but sadly our beach is back and around over there. So I'd say we probably got 1 more hour to go, which if you take off our hour and a half of procrastination, coffee, and shooting content, we're gonna be done in about 9 hours-ish flat. We'll see. So, I don't want to jump to conclusions, but there's definitely mutants in there, right? Mutants with superpowers. Going to school, learning to exist with the rest of us, but then going out and fighting crime. I know it.
Oh my god, I just love a good sunset.
All right, we're on the last stretch. Our car is at the end of this road. The trail is now on the road. We're just walking alongside of it. There she is. We made it, and it is 8:05. We started the hike at 10:20, 8:05, so 11:20, 12:20, 1:20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 40-ish minutes. Take off an hour and a half for our break. Not 7, 10. About 9 hours. You got the average each time. My feet hurt so bad. Okay, well, I'm gonna lean out the car. The final verdict, 23.78 miles, 49,860 steps in right around 9 hours. We did it. But that's not all, folks. All right? We're gonna go golfing tomorrow after doing this hike. Mom's not, I am. And we're gonna see you there. All right, we'll see you in the morning. Bye.